For centuries, people have sought ways to escape the heat. Long before modern air conditioning, ancient civilizations devised clever methods to cool their homes and bodies. Egyptians, for instance, hung wet mats in doorways. The evaporating water would cool the incoming air. Romans built elaborate aqueducts, not just for drinking water, but also to circulate cool water through their walls. In Persia, wind catchers, tall towers with openings, captured prevailing winds and funneled them into buildings. These ancient innovations provided a degree of relief from the sweltering heat. These early methods, while ingenious, had their limitations. They were often only effective during specific times of day or weather conditions. The cooling effect was also localized, limited to specific areas or rooms. Despite their limitations, these ancient practices laid the foundation for the pursuit of artificial cooling, a quest that would continue for centuries to come. The invention of the modern air conditioner is credited to Willis in 1902. Carrier, a young engineer, was tasked with solving a humidity problem at a Brooklyn printing plant. The high humidity was causing the paper to expand and contract, making it difficult to print in color. Carrier's solution was a device that not only cooled the air but also controlled its humidity. Carrier's invention, dubbed the apparatus for treating air, used coils filled with cold water to cool and dehumidify the air. This innovation revolutionized not only the printing industry, but also paved the way for the widespread adoption of air conditioning. Initially, air conditioning was primarily used in industrial settings like factories and hospitals. Its high cost and complexity made it impractical for residential use. However, as technology advanced and production costs decreased, air conditioning gradually became more accessible to the public. The development of smaller, more efficient units in the 1920s and 1930s made it possible for theaters, department stores and restaurants to install air conditioning, attracting customers seeking respite from the summer heat. The post-World War II economic boom led to a surge in demand for air conditioning in homes. As air conditioning became more commonplace, it transformed the way people lived and worked. Homes could be built with fewer windows, reducing the need for cross-ventilation and allowing for more privacy. Offices became more comfortable, leading to increased productivity and a shift away from the traditional summer slowdown. Air conditioning also facilitated the growth of cities in hotter climates, making them more habitable year-round. Today, air conditioning is considered a necessity in many parts of the world. Modern air conditioners are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly than their predecessors. Advancements in smart home technology allow for remote control and optimization of cooling systems. However, the widespread use of air conditioning has also raised concerns about its environmental impact. As we look to the future, the challenge lies in developing sustainable cooling solutions that meet the growing demand without exacerbating climate change. Researchers are exploring alternative refrigerants with lower global warming potential, as well as passive cooling techniques that minimize energy consumption. The future of air conditioning will likely involve a combination of technological innovation, responsible use, and a renewed appreciation for traditional cooling methods.